Are you from the UK and planning to apply for a Schengen visa to visit Europe? If you don't know yet, one of the main requirements for applying for a Schengen visa is travel insurance. The embassy requires travel insurance with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros, and it must be valid in all Schengen countries. You should be very careful when choosing your insurance because an incorrect or invalid policy can lead to a visa refusal. I previously assisted a client who is a Philippine passport holder and a skilled worker in the UK. He successfully got his Schengen visa approved. I helped him with the entire process, like filing out the application form, booking his TLS appointment, and preparing all his requirements, including the travel insurance. So, the travel insurance I suggested for him was from Swiss Care. The good thing about Swiss Care is that it's more affordable compared to other insurance providers, yet it meets all the Schengen visa requirements. It is also fully refundable if your visa is refused. Just make sure to submit a copy of your refusal letter, and please note that a refund can only be requested before the coverage starts. So, for more details about their cancellation and refund policy, you can refer to the general policy conditions. And just to be clear, I will never recommend anything on my YouTube channel that I have not personally used myself or for my clients. I will also make another video on how to purchase international student health insurance for Europe from Swiss Care. Now, here's the step-by-step guide on how to purchase travel insurance for a Schengen visa from Swiss Care online. Step number 1, visit their official website. I will put the link in the comment section and in the video description. Their website is very easy to use. So once you click the link, you will be directed to this page. So step number 2, get a quotation. So you need to select your travel duration. For example, December 1 until December 31, and then click select. Choose your passport issuing country, your first destination, enter your date of birth. Now, step number 3, select your preferred plan. So either standard, comfort, or premium. And then tick the boxes here. Then click buy. Now, the next step is fill out your personal information. So you just need to complete all the information here, the information details, your first name, last name, your address, and then the insured person. So the insured person should be the one who is traveling to the Schengen area. And then after that, click next. Now, step number 5, proceed with payment. So you need to choose your payment method, enter your card details, and click pay. Then this will appear in your screen. Then step number 6, check your email confirmation. So you will receive 2 emails from Swiss Care. So you need to open the first email titled registration confirmation to my Swiss Care account. So you have to click this. You need to open this and then click activate your account. So you will be redirected to a page where you will need to create a new password. Then step number 7, open the second email, this one, and then click connect to your account. And then step number 8, you need to log in using the email and password you created earlier, and then click log in. Now, once you logged in, you can now print your policy certificate. So just click your policy here and then click download policy and then print. This is the document you will submit as proof of travel insurance for your Schengen visa application. So inside your account here, you can also read the general insurance conditions or edit your address or click contacts to find complete information for claim service, customer service, or medical emergency. You can also click the message icon on their website here if you have questions about your policy. And that's all. If you have any questions, clarifications, or suggestions, just comment it down below. And I hope this video helps. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.